Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kimchi cabbage using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients, including a large napa cabbage, about 5 pounds. You'll also need coarse sea salt, gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, fresh garlic, ginger, and fish sauce. Having everything ready before you start makes the process much smoother. This recipe focuses on a straightforward approach, perfect for beginners or those seeking a quicker way to enjoy homemade kimchi. The first crucial step is salting the cabbage. Cut your napa cabbage into quarters lengthwise. Prepare a brine by dissolving about 1 cup of coarse sea salt in 16 cups of water. Submerge the cabbage quarters in this brine for approximately 2 hours. This process draws out moisture and seasons the cabbage. After 2 hours, rinse the cabbage thoroughly under cold running water to remove excess salt, then gently squeeze out as much water as possible. Next, let's create the flavorful kimchi paste. In a large bowl, combine about 1 cup of gochugaru, 1/4 cup of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of grated ginger, and 1/4 cup of fish sauce. Add a tablespoon of sugar and a few tablespoons of cooled glutinous rice flour paste, which helps bind the ingredients. Mix everything together until you have a thick, uniform, and vibrant red paste. This paste is the heart of your kimchi's unique flavor. Now for the fun part, combining the cabbage and paste. Wearing gloves, take each cabbage quarter and spread the paste generously between every leaf. Ensure every part is coated for maximum flavor. Once all the cabbage is covered, tightly pack it into an airtight container or jar. Leave it at room temperature for 1 to 2 days to begin fermenting, then transfer it to the refrigerator. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade kimchi.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.